Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I am teaching a class called Pilkey Madness inspired by Dav Pilkey with Green Apple Art Center, and today I decided to make up my own character based on Supa Mecha Philly. So here is Taco Wednesday Mecha. It starts with a D shape, which is easy enough, and then you build from there. Like her shoulders, which are nice circles, and you'll see she becomes really threatening as the drawing moves on, and you can just start working on her arms. And I decided to make her left arm that we see at the right a scourge weapon. So you'll see that a little bit later. I like the idea of a crab or a lobster claw right over here, but don't forget she's also a mecha, which means that she's a robot. So we're gonna find ways to get that across as well. So while you're drawing, make sure to keep having fun. If you're not, you can try putting a smile on your face, and maybe the fun will come to you naturally. And so this is what I mean by a scourge weapon. You can do little triangles around the circle for the spikes of the weapon, but they're not only on the sides, those spikes, they're also all around the ball, which gives the weapon a 3D aspect. Very menacing. Alright, and because she's a mecha, you can draw these little rivet dots that will really make this idea very clear to anybody. And also I don't know what to call these, but how, like a swan neck lamp, how it's articulated. Maybe Taco Wednesday has the same for her arms. And now we're adding some spikes to make her look really cool. And I'm so excited to start drawing her face. I'm itching to get started on that. So I'm gonna draw really cool cartoon eyes. This kind of eyes has been around for a long time in cartooning. Back to the old days when Mickey Mouse was first invented by Walt Disney himself. And I gave her a menacing look, so that bar at the top of her eyes, that angle, makes her look mad. So that's kind of a good idea, isn't it? And same with the Pac-Man eyes, pupils. That's also a very old trick of cartooning, and it's always a good idea to refresh old tricks like that and make them now and make them current, and you can do that. So now we're gonna give her like a sad mouth, but with the eyes that makes it angry. I don't want to make the legs too long, maybe a little bit longer than Supa Mecha Philly, and giving her high heel shoes, making her very feminine. She reminds me of Myth Pac-Man a little bit. Alright, so she's really coming together now, and it's so much fun to see the character quickly come to life. Very good. Don't forget to always try and be as proud of your drawings and of yourself as you can. For me, I like to call my drawings a little meditation. You can see my fingers are holding the paper, allowing me to stay focused with my left hand. And here we're adding the taco filling, of course, okay? This is so cool because, again, it gives it that 3D aspect, that 3D look that you really want with your drawings. And this is pretty much it for today. Oh, let's not forget to give her lipstick. And it's a good idea to have. Usually we think male characters should be, buff and really big and strong, but not necessarily. Why not change it up a little bit. So thank you for drawing with me. I hope that you had so much fun. Don't forget to be good to everyone and to try to draw as much as possible, always celebrating the great pleasure that drawing can bring into your life. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.